Hello, welcome back to the Chatterbox. In this video, we're going to target the J sound. And the letter we use in English usually to make that J sound is J. The symbol we use though for speech therapists is a D and the J. This is the J sound. We don't use that very much in English. I think of French. French use it a lot. Je m'appelle. But in English, beige. Beige is the only word I can really think of that has that je, measure, words like that, je, that je sound. We don't use it very often, the sound. So, but we do use j, Jack and Jill, and joy, and jump, all those wonderful sounds with j. So we're going to target the j sound today. And the j sound is closely related to ch. Just like a lot of letters, a lot of sounds have sisters or brothers. So this sibling would be ch, ch, ch. So go ahead and watch my ch video to get that ch sound, to break that lateral lisp. We want to say ch, ch, ch. You may want to watch the ch video to see how to do that. But in this one, we're going to do its voiced partner, j, j, where you turn your voice on. It's the same as ch, but with the voice on, j, j, j. And a way to trick you or your child into saying that sound is by thinking of d and y. Just like with ch, you can think of t and y. T, t, y, tia, tia, chia, chia, and it turns into ch. With this one, we do d and y. And again, just like the T, we want to have a real strong, sharp D. D, 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 y, d, y, d, y. When we speak in English, we talk. The more comfortable we get, we talk a lot faster, right? So sometimes our words blend together, and when we blend words together and blend sounds together, we make new sounds. So oftentimes we won't say, do you? We'll just say, Gia, do you want to go outside? Do you want to play? Do you want to eat? Right? Especially when we're talking to little kids. Do you want to play? We might say, do you want to play? Or do we say, do you want to play? Do you want to play? Come on, let's play. Do you want to go outside? Especially little kids when they're talking to each other. They're talking pretty quickly and those sounds blend together. So what we're going to do is break the sounds up. D, ya. So we're not saying, Gia want to play? Gia want to go outside? We're going to say d, ya. 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 And then blend it together. So we're cueing that strong d, d, d. So our tongue's not going flat. Yeah, yeah. Flat, yeah, versus d, d, right in the front where it needs to be strong. Dia, 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 dia. And you can stretch out the E in iya because it's a diphthong, iya. The Y sound is made of two vowels, E and A, iya. So we're saying d, iya, d, 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 not D. We're not saying D, we're saying d, iya, d, iya. Dia, 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 dia. And it turns into our just sound. Try that out. Let me know how it goes. And I'll leave you to chat.